Hello traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. Thursday, November 14th, 2013. Man, the markets just keep going northbound. Both the Dow and the S&P 500 end at fresh new highs yet again. I'm seeing some news here saying that the Dow and the S&P 500 index recorded new highs on Thursday after Janet Yellen, the U.S. Fed Reserve Chair nominee, told a Senate committee the Fed's accommodative policies would continue as long as the economy remains fragile. Yeah, that'll send the markets higher any day of the week. But not just too long ago, the Fed was saying that they could start slowing things down as early as December, which shut the markets down lower. Take a look here. The S&P up about 0.5%. The Dow up 0.35%. The Nasdaq up 0.2%. The Russell's up, or down rather, just a fraction. Banks up though 0.27%. VIX down 1.2%, meaning fear is dropping. And we're finally getting our bounce here in precious metals. We have gold up a staggering 1.2%. Silver up 1.4%. Crude oil up a mere fraction, and the U.S. dollar flat. Transportation index laggy here, down or up only 0.27%, and the defensive sector utilities here up 0.9%. Let me share with you why small caps were laggy and why the banks were laggy, and why we saw the defensive sector increase by almost a full percent. It's because we're at a resistance point. The S&P hit resistance back here in September and dropped. We hit it again here latter part of October and got wobbly legs. Now we come up and retest it yet again, and we're at that resistance point. On the weekly chart, you can see that we're above it. Would not surprise me if we go bearish going into tomorrow, coming right back down to this line, which would be a significant drop if that were to happen. And it would be a big red gnarly candlestick right here. So if it doesn't do that, that's going to bode well for the markets, that we still have some more upside potential. Gold here, nice little bounce up to a resistance point. Silver, there's a little bounce, might be a buying opportunity, gang, so I'll be watching that. The Google was up about 0.25% or so. We had the nice pop, and we're heading higher into a resistance area. Apple is up 1.45% and should have more upside potential here. Facebook up 0.6%. We're just caught up inside moving averages now, not a trade. Microsoft down 0.35%. And we have Twitter up nearly 5%, back up here to some resistance areas where we initially started. And LinkedIn was up 0.3%, but below most major moving averages. On our bull list, we do have stock pick list on our bull list. We had a nice little pop here on BOFI. That was up more than 4%. We went from $58 up to about $72. Pretty good run here in the last couple weeks. Away is up, and away. And they were up more than 3%. Nice bull pullback. Boom, to the upside. Another one up more than 2% here is Mohawk, or MHK. We were down here in the area of about $133. Now we're at $142 and some change. We also have a bear list, those that are fundamentally weak. WGL was down, looks like about 9% today. Big drop. And it went from up here at the 45 change to $40. FTNT was off here. Here, let me do something. SMTC could be a lot more downside potential, down 2.7%, 2.55% here on RYN. So we were up here around $58, now at $43. So these are some of those on our bull and bear list. Feel free to check it out. 2 weeks free. Just put in special code 2 weeks get 2 weeks free. Hope all is well with you and yours. Let's watch for some bearish activity going into tomorrow. I foresee that happening.